This is my favourite, pizza wraps cooked on the fire. So, tortilla wrap, slap it down. First thing we want to put on is the passata. Now, you only want to put it on half the wrap and not right to the edge, because I like to try and get the two edges to almost stick together. Okay, so the trick is with these wraps, we don't want to overload them. Okay, the good thing about this is kids get to choose their own toppings. So you want to pre-fry onions, peppers, mushrooms. I've chopped up some olives. You could have pepperoni. You could have ham and pineapple, sweet corn, whatever you like. Okay, so now I'm going to pour on some fried onion.
What would I have on my pizza?
And of course, you don't want to overload this at this point.
What are you putting on there?
Here's some nice tasty mushrooms. Now, we do tend to do this a lot with kids, and they just want cheese and tomato. And that's okay. But me and James will be having it all.
Tell us in the chat room, kids, what your favourite pizza topping is.
Okay, some peppers. Yeah, so kids, what would you put on yours? You could do anything. There we go. Now this one's for you, isn't it, James? So you won't have olives.
No, I'm not a fan of olives, but I do like herbs. Let's get some of those in.
Ooh, some mixed herbs, Italian style.
Spinach is nice in these as well, isn't it?
It is. Cracked black pepper?
I don't mind if I do, actually. Thank you.
Okay, why not? And it makes you look Italian, you see.
There's something missing though, isn't there? It won't be pizza without cheese.
Of course it won't. Now this is going to be the same as mine, but I'll be having some nice green olives on mine too.
And you'll be having vegan cheese, won't you?
No, it's goat's cheese actually I'll be having, because I don't have cow's milk. It doesn't agree with me. But vegan cheese, you can get the mozzarella style, and it's really, really good. I'm very happy with that. Okay, next, we want to fold it over. Almost press down those edges, and then that's ready to cook. And it doesn't take much cooking at all. You don't want it much fatter than that, otherwise it'll all start spilling out. That's about as fat as you want it. So rather than overload it, have two and put less filling in. This is almost ready to turn over. It doesn't take long. Yes, that's ready. I like to press the edges down to keep it sealed. Remember, we're not cooking the ingredients inside, they're already cooked. What we're doing is heating it and melting that cheese and flip it over.
Like a pro.
And look at that, that's the colour we want, so it's got a little bit crispy. But it's always worth keeping an eye on the heat of the fire. The hotter the fire, the hotter the pan, the quicker this will cook. I have burnt them before, accidentally, not realising quite how hot the pan is. So if you flip it a few times because you're unsure, it's better than burning it. Now, this is a savoury pizza wrap, or as James calls it, what did you call it?
I call it a campfire calzone.
Calzone. You could make this sweet with some Nutella, sliced banana, syrup.
Blackberries mushed up in the autumn.
Yeah, that would be nice. Autumn treat. So, yeah, use your imagination. Okay, kids, what do you think? From 1 to 10, is it going to be a 10? Taste sensation. Let's have a look. Ooh.
Lots of gooey, tasty things.
Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Right, taste test. But first of all...
Who needs a pizza oven?
I'll give it a 9 or 10. Love them. Absolutely love them.